Hello friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.
Hello friends and welcome to Automuv India. Today I am going to do an unboxing video and not a review. I have been waiting for it since quite a longer time and it is finally arrived. I had ordered it in Amazon and let me tell you about the thing. It is a very useful thing for all the YouTubers. It is almost like a stand. By this itself you might have understood what is it. It is a tripod. The one I was using is almost gone. So I thought why not buy a new one and also thought to share it with you guys. Let's unbox this. And it is here, a tripod. First we will remove the tapes. And there you go. Here it is. The Digitek DTR 550 LW. This is the tripod that I bought right now. Here is the bill. Keep it aside. Before unboxing, let's talk about the features and specifications. The front of the box, here is the picture of the tripod. It is black in color and here it is written portable, sturdy for DV cameras, that is DSLR cameras. On the side we have the features over here. It gets a 3-way head with adjustable pan, rubberized legs, a hook as well, convenient accessory hook, that is what they call it, bubble head to adjust the horizontal position and multi-purpose head with quick release. Multi-purpose head for DV cameras as well. It can be used for both mobile phones or smartphones or DSLR cameras. On the other side, here are the specifications. That is, the tripod can handle a max load of 5 kgs. The maximum height of the tripod is 5.57 feet or 1700 mm. The folded height is 615 mm. The maximum tube diameter is 2.65 mm and the minimum tube diameter is 20 mm. The weight of the tripod is 1.2 kgs and the sections 3 sections. Below are the price and other things. Now let's unbox this box. And here it is, the tripod. It comes with a plastic cover. We'll remove this as well. This is the bag. It is a nice quality bag. You can also carry it along. It comes with a silica gel as well. In it, it is written do not eat. Do not eat it really. Keep it aside. Let me stretch it. This is how it looks like. Now let's stretch it. This is the maximum height. Even this can be pulled higher like this. So this is the maximum height, that is 5.57 feet. So the material here, it is a plastic, even this is a plastic almost. This is also a plastic. This is an aluminium. Here also it is an aluminium. There is a handle to hold on to over here, which is also a plastic unit. And these over here are also plastic. This can be adjusted like this by pulling this, and even this is also plastic. Here there is the hook underneath below over here. Let me bring this to my height. Now I will explain it everything. You can rotate this like this and then move it. Here is the bubble head which shows the correct position. It is in center. This is how it should be. So this thing over here can be removed and you can insert the mobile holder and fix your mobile phone. Also a DSLR. So I can fix my DSLR over here. But the mobile holder does not come with the tripod. You should buy it aftermarket, and I don't think it can hold a maximum weight of 5 kg because these things are almost plastic. I don't think it is great, but it is okay for me. That we'll manage it. Can also rotate this 360 degree, and these are the other switches, I mean knobs to control this like this. This is how it works. So friends, this was my video of the unboxing of the Digitek DTR 550 LW tripod. If you want to buy it, I leave the link in the description below. You can check it out. And today my exams also got over, and the tripod is also here with me. I will be back in the next video with new launch, new cars. I will meet you in the next video real soon. So if you like my video, please click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.